Good morning, Emily. You have good sleep?
Yeah.
Yeah? And what we doing now?
What's the park?
Wasser park?
And that's out.
Oh, you wear your swimming clothes already?
Yeah, I'm Pierre and Lung.
Yeah, okay.
Bye-bye.
So, good morning, guys. Another beautiful day and a lot of activities today. So you saw they wear the swimming clothes already because today we are gonna to see a very nice waterfall here in Kanchanaburi. Never been there as well, but we heard many times that this one should be really beautiful. So let's go and see. Morning, Mama.
Morning.
Ready?
Yes.
Okay. So we are at the Erawan Waterfall now. The entrance fee here is 300 baht. Let me check. Yeah, 300 baht for foreigner, 100 baht for Thai people, and we have 50 baht for Alex. Emily is free, and 30 baht for the car. So now we will eat something first and then we go check out the waterfall. So for the food was 370 baht. So now good power for the walking. Actually they say quite a lot what you have to walking there and up. Let's see how they look like. And we also rent some life jackets for the children. So to the first step of the waterfall, actually you still can take the golf cart. They take 30 baht for one person and 15 baht for the children. But then if you use that one, same us, we are lazy but you pass the first kilometer already. Actually, what they say is that here at the second step should be the best for if you want to go swimming or something. So we set up our camp here, and we'll stay here with Alex and Emily first, and I will go up a little bit, and then later I will come down, and then let Tick and Alex go up, and we'll take a little bit swimming with Emily then. So guys, that's it. I think in the raining season even more beautiful when the waterfall is going more up, more power inside. But actually, yeah, a nice beautiful place. The watercolor was, I never see like this before, like some cream or whatever. Nice. But as you can see, I'm sweating as hell. The hiking here up, unbelievable. My shirt, oh, unbelievable. So really looking forward now for go back to station number 2 and then take a swim with Alex and Emily. And swimming was good?
Good. Nè.
Emily don't like it because there were some fish inside, little bit fish. And they come and eat your leg or your feet, but doesn't hurt, but Emily don't like it. So we take the golf car now again back to the car from our driver. The Erawan in all, yeah, really a place to see, nice area here. The next station for us will be the dam, I think, right?
Yes, the big dam.
Okay, we go to the big dam. Let's see how it's going there. So the swimming at the Erawan was really good after this very big hiking up there, but totally worth it. If you come to KANCHANABURI, then definitely check out the Erawan, and then don't forget now on the way back to town to stop by at the dam. Really huge dam here, crazy. And is on the way back, just maybe, I would say maybe 4 or 5 kilo from the Erawan, so easy, and stop by. Amazing view here.